Welcome to Wanderers Stadium in Johannesburg, South Africa. This is the place that Barrack Obama is expected to be in after leaving Kenya. He will be the keynote speaker during this year's Nelson Mandela Annual Lecture.
Barrack Obama, having been inspired by Madiba himself, having spoken so fondly about the man, having framed and structured his own leadership style around how Madiba used to solve problems and lead in his spaces, we thought this is the right person to come to South Africa and the African continent and talk about a person we all hold so dear.
Important to note is that this is the 16th edition of Nelson Mandela Annual Lecture, a long journey that started in 2003. Some of the previous speakers that have graced this kind of an occasion include the former President of the United States, Bill Clinton, but then there is a name that is familiar to Kenyans. Professor Wangari Maathai was the keynote speaker in 2005. And now to what is expected tomorrow. The program is tight with high-profile dignitaries. I'm talking of the likes of Obama himself, the President of South Africa, Ramaphosa, Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, the former President of Liberia, Matteo Renzi, the former Prime Minister of Italy, among others. But all these people will be expected to angle their speeches to the theme of this year's annual lecture, which is all about renewing Mandela's legacy and promoting active citizenship in a changing world.
This is Madiba's centenary. It's his 100th year. And I think all of us are excited that we have lived to see this time. We know the impact he has made in our lives, in our body politics, but also in transforming our society, not just South Africa, but globally.
From Wanderers Stadium in Johannesburg, South Africa, my name is Elijah Mwangi, part of the Chams media crew covering this particular event for KTN News.